Good. Now we have our fruit cut in half. I want you please to show me your fruit and start describing it. So remember to tell us about the shape, if it is rounded or oval shape. Also describe the smell of it. For instance, this one is a citrusy smell. It has a citrusy smell. And also take a bite of the fruit and let us know the flavor. If your fruit is acid or maybe sweet or maybe sour a little bit or salty, why not? So please take your fruit, cut in half, and show us and describe your fruit to us.
Oh, yes, that's beautiful. Heart shape. It's a heart shape. You get double point, Bianca, for your beautiful English. That's a heart shape. Yes. Describe the smell. ¿A qué te huele? Is strong, is delicate, is strong for you. Es fuerte el olor. Yes.
Is apple. Your color is red and is rounded.
Is rounded. Ooh,